The question is, the compound X will be, the solution is. In order to answer this question, we must understand the chemical reactions that take place. Also, the double bond O can be written as single bond O minus, wherein we transfer the bond as a charge. Now, when these two products are reacted in the presence of AlCl3, we get the product in which the chlorobenzene is combined with the initial product and the O is combined with the AlCl3. Now, when the reaction takes place in the presence of H2O, that is, we do the hydrolysis of the product, the AlCl3 gets replaced with H and we again obtain the double bond O at its prior position, giving us the solution as option B.